And content creation is the process of creating content that your audience can relate to. So this can be like in a form of writing. Content marketing is very important because, as I've said before, branding strategy, it all comes down to branding again. In branding, in creating your brand, you should be the guru or the expert, right? So it's important that you have content on social media. If you don't have a blog, it's fine, but you should have content on your social media to deliver the message that you want to be delivered. So that is content creation.
If you are working on a content, we call this something like a writer's block. So since both me and Sheena were writers, I mean until now, so we started as
Yeah,
writers. So there are times that we don't know what to write. We don't know where to get our content from. And that's totally normal. I mean, you don't have to be frustrated because you can't create a content. Not maybe not for you, maybe for your client, but that's totally normal. So one of the things that you can or where you can get your content is check what is trending. It can be Google, the social media is there. You can also get your contents there. You can use Google Trends. So this one you can type in topics that you want. For example, you can search social media. Type it there in Google Trends, just go there and you can use it. You have like a list of topics that are popular to specific locations as well. So if you have like specific target market, if you only targeting the Philippines or in the US, you can see all the trending topics that is related to that keyword or for that word, for that term. So you can get your content there also in from other content creators, and it's not that you are copying them, but you are using them to be an inspiration for you to write something. Because if you're going to think for the content alone, it will be really difficult. It was just you. So you need help from others. So it might not be like technically asking someone, but you can actually check other content creators. If you are into digital marketing or social media, Neil Patel and HubSpot is one of the best websites that you can get your contents from. They are major creators in digital marketing and social media, everything that you need from the basics. Google their names, you can Google their website so you can check them out, and I think it's really great for even for starters, so for even for freelancers who are new in this industry. They have a few topics there that you can use, and also you can use like the audience feedback as a content. If you are already have a business, mostly we ask feedbacks from them, right? We normally ask questions or ask survey questions for them, because the reason for that is you want to create or you want to pull out an information that maybe you are missing something that they can ask you. So you can check Twitter. I mean, there's a lot of, you can just use hashtags there and then search for all the contents. So Twitter, LinkedIn is also good for contents. And also, Quora.
And the online forums, yeah.
Yeah. And I
Yeah.
think that's where you can get it. Technically, you just ask a specific person or ask Google. So that's
Um,
that's mostly where you can get your content.
yeah, and for your content, guys, if you're having that writer's block, don't worry about it. And you're not copying, okay? You're just finding inspiration or
Yeah.
topics. Like, for example, you have a certain business, like, let's say, hair business, hair and salon. So you might want to like check the market, your target market, if what are they, what are the things that interest them, and then you can write a topic about that. You can find inspiration. So it's basically still you writing the content. It's your voice.
Yeah.
Okay, you're just looking for the topics, for inspirations, and for you to it's really hard to think of what topic should I post today, or should I do. So what you need to do is like just get inspiration, and then you'll see yourself writing in no time.